Okay, children, welcome to our language class. This is the most interesting and wonderful language class you ever had. Okay, listen, for today we have two objectives. The first one is to review sounds, sh and ch sounds. The second one is to read words and some sentences. Let's see, the first sound is sh. Remember, sh sound occurs at the beginning or at the ending of the words. It could be, in some cases, in the middle of the word, but today we're going to review some words that have sh sound at the beginning or at the end of these words. Okay, let's see. So maybe, Lions, you are going to help me to read these words. You can read after me. Shrimp, shred, sharp, shore, shrink. Okay, and share. Now, let's do it again. Shrimp, shred, sharp, shore, shrink, share. Very good. Now, dragons, you continue after me. Shirt, short, shark, share, shrug, shrub. Very good. You are reading so nice with me and after me too. Now, let's continue with unicorns. Unicorns. At the end of the word, listen. Wash, mash, rush, fish, rash, ash. Okay, very good. Now, phoenix. Phoenix, you can read after me. Gash, push, bash, cash, bush, dish, wish. Very good. You are the best around the word. Okay, now let's see. There is another word, another sound, excuse me, that is ch sound. It is a strong sound, yeah, ch sound. It is not a continuous one. It begins and starts, okay? Ch sound, and it also occurs at the beginning or at the ending. Yeah. So let's see some words. Let's read these words with unicorns. Unicorns. You're going to read with me the first line, the first column. That means this column you're going to read with me. Unicorns, go ahead. Chair, chalk, chapter, chase, chat, chip, check, cheer, cheese. Nice reading. Now, phoenix, cherry. We are going to continue with the second column, okay? Cherry, chest, chew, chick, child, chin, chip, choose, chop. Wow, very good. Remember that you can read with me and you can also read after me. Let's see the next image, excuse me. So here, dragons, you are going to read with me. Beach, bench, branch, catch, coach, cut, cat, hatch, lunch, march. And here, lions, you're going to read the second column. Match, patch, pitch, ranch, reach, speech, stretch, switch, touch. Okay, as you could see, these words can occur, this sound, could occur at the beginning of the word or at the end of the word. But there is one word that has the sh sound in the middle of the word. Do you know which is that word? Let's think about it. Yes, you are so smart. Mushroom, mushroom. Mushroom corresponds to this sound, sound, but it doesn't have the sound at the beginning nor at the ending. It has the sound in the middle of the word. Mushroom. Okay, very good. Now, let's continue with the next activity. In this activity, here you are going to first read the words. Second, cover and say it. Third, write the word. And fourth, build a sentence. Okay? So, the last two words you cannot see, but you have to listen and you have to follow the instruction. Okay? Let's see. Number one, sharp, shelf, shell, shop, sheep. Okay? We have already read the words sharp, shelf, shell, shop, sheep. Now, you have to cover the words and you are going to, or you close your eyes and you repeat after me, okay? Sharp, shelf, shell, shop, sheep, okay? Now, without looking at the video, without watching me or my video, you are going to write the sentences in your notebook, okay? You are not going to see the words and copy. No, no, no. You are going to listen and write. Let's do it. Sharp, shelf, shell, shop, sheep. Excellent. Now, let's see. The next one is for another house, maybe, well, for all of you. Read the words, cover and say them, write the words, and build a sentence, okay? Those are the 4 instructions that you will have forever and ever. Read the words, cover and say it, write the words, and build a sentence, okay? Splash, fish, cash, dish, brush. Chain, chop, chest, chef, chin. Chain, chop, chest, chef, chin. Here you also have the same instructions. Read the words, cover and say them, write the words, and build a sentence. Here, again, bench, march, lunch, rich, switch. Okay, again, people, you're going to read the words, cover and say it, write the words, and build a sentence. But, Miss Patty, how can I build a sentence if you don't give me one example? You're a little bit crazy, Miss Patty. No, no, no. I prepare also some examples of sentences for you. Look at this. We are going to read these sentences. The shark is in the water. The shark is in the water. Okay? Remember that when we are in the classroom, we can also start from the last word we have, and one by one we are going to read. So let's see one example. Water, water, the water, the water, in the water, in the water. The shark is, the shark is in the water. Very good, children. Now, let's continue with the second one. I see a dish, a fish, and a shell. I see a dish, a fish, and a shell. And the last one, my mother has a big cherry in her chin. My mother has a big cherry in her chin. Chin, her chin, in her chin. A big cherry in her chin. My mother has a big cherry in her chin. Excellent, you are doing so good, children. Now, this is the last one. The chef chops the meat. Meat. Remember that here, even we have 2 letters, the sound is only one. It's a long E. Meat. Meat. The chef chops the meat. The chest is up in the tree. Remember here, even we have two letters, double E, the sound is only one. It's a long E too. Tree. It's a long I, sorry, tree. The chest is up in the tree. Okay, and the last one, shelf, the shelf, in the shelf, shoes, chips and ships and shoes, ships and shoes in the shelf. My dad has some ships and shoes in the shelf. Okay, kids, you're doing so good. Now, what are you going to do? We are going to follow this link in Seesaw because in Seesaw we have to put some sounds or some images according to the sound that you listen to, okay? So don't forget to follow this link to continue in Seesaw activity. I love you so much and I hope you enjoyed this video reviewing sh and ch sound. Okay. Bye bye, children. Love you. See you. Okay, kids, now that you have worked in Seesaw activity, you are amazing. This is a message for you all because you are the best students I've ever had around the world. You are the best in the school. You are the best kids around the world. Okay? See you later. Bye bye. Enjoy your classes. Okay? Bye.